Are you considering immigrating to Canada but are concerned about the uncertainties of relocating your family to a new country under temporary status? Do you have business experience or an entrepreneurial spirit and prefer not to be in the position of job hunting but rather working on your business idea from day one? Before we start,
hello, my name is Reza and I work with the Ingwe immigration team helping applicants move to Canada. But whether it's for yourself, your kids, your business, or all of the above, we make it happen. Let me make this clear. I'm not an actually full-time YouTuber, but I work hands-on with our licensed team, working on actual applications and communicating with the immigration department overseas and inside Canada on a daily basis on behalf of our clients. These videos are made for the purpose of sharing our hands-on immigration knowledge with our worldwide audience. And if you're thinking about immigrating to Canada, well, we can help. Get a free email assessment for eligible applicants, filling out the form. It's included below this video.
the Startup Visa program represents a great opportunity for individuals like you. It allows you to apply for your Canadian permanent residency from overseas, providing the peace of mind that once approved, you and your family can settle in Canada permanently without the pressure of having to secure employment to then navigate the complexities of another immigration process. This program not only facilitates your move to Canada, but also supports your ambition to hit the ground running with your business venture from the very beginning. Yet, not all journeys end in approval. Understanding previous cases, especially those that end up in refusals, it is a great exercise to extract valuable lessons to enhance your application strategy. Today, we want to present and analyze actual stories of applications that were not successful to help you gain some true insights. This case involves applicants from Iran led by Ms. Nazanin Ajili, who applied for permanent residence under the Startup Visa program, but faced refusal due to concerns over their commitment to genuinely engaging in business within Canada. In detail, the visa officer refused the application primarily due to concerns that the applicant's commitment with the designated entity was primarily for the purpose of acquiring a status or privilege under the Act, rather than engaging in the intended business activity. The officer noted several specific concerns: lack of progress in the business venture, including late incorporation of the company and trademark registration, unclear business plan and product description, including unclear production costs and revenue generation plans, limited evidence of engagement with the Canadian market and lack of concrete proposals with local Canadian companies, inadequate development progress despite the passage of time. The applicants felt that the decision made by IRCC was unjust and decided to pursue a judicial review of their case. If you want to understand more about this process, visit our YouTube channel, where you will find resources explaining this process in detail. What happened during the judicial review process? The judge conducted a thorough examination of the visa officer's decision-making process and the reasons for refusal, ultimately determining that the decision was justified and reasonable, considering both the outcome and the procedural approach. It was concluded that the evidence presented and the legal parameters provided ample grounds for the decision made. Consequently, the application for judicial review was rejected, thereby upholding the visa officer's initial decision to deny the applicant's request for permanent residence. So what could have been done by this startup group from the beginning to avoid refusal? Clarity in business plan. Ensure your business plan is comprehensive and clearly outlines the nature of your business, target market, revenue streams, and growth strategy. Ambiguity or lack of detail can raise doubts about the feasibility and seriousness of your venture. Evidence of genuine progress. Provide tangible evidence of progress in your business venture, such as incorporation documents, patents, contracts with suppliers or clients, and evidence of market research or engagement. This helps demonstrate your commitment and the viability of your business. Alignment with program requirements. Familiarize yourself with the specific requirements of the immigration program you're applying to, such as the Startup Visa program in this case. Ensure that your business activities align with the program criteria and that you can clearly demonstrate your eligibility. Proactive communication. Respond promptly and comprehensively to any requests for additional information or clarification from immigration authorities. Proactively address any concerns raised by the officer to strengthen your case and show your commitment to compliance. clients. Engagement with designated entities. If your application involves commitments with designated entities, such as business incubators or investors, ensure that these arrangements are genuine and geared towards advancing your business objectives. Avoid any perception that these commitments are primarily for immigration purposes. Evidence of market engagement in Canada. Provide evidence of your efforts to engage with the Canadian market, such as partnerships with Canadian businesses, market research conducted in Canada, or expressions of interest from potential Canadian clients or collaborators. This demonstrates your readiness to integrate into the Canadian business landscape. Transparency and honesty. Be transparent and honest in your application materials and communications with immigration authorities. Misrepresentation or withholding relevant information can lead to refusal and may have long-term consequences for your immigration prospects. And finally, consider seeking advice from immigration experts or legal professionals experienced in visa applications. They can provide valuable insights and guidance on how to present your case effectively and navigate the application process successfully.
If you're thinking about immigrating, whether permanently or temporarily, through skilled immigration, LMI exempt work permits, free trade agreements, study visas, investment, or family sponsorship, you're at the right place. I can guarantee you only one point. You will know what to expect, the entire process clearly laid out for you, and all the risks identified, including costs. There will be no surprises in terms of expenses or costs, just results. Our team speaks over 8 languages and we help applicants from over 48 different countries. Click the link below this video and get a free email assessment for eligible applicants. And if you're ready to apply and would like a one-on-one consultation with me or any of my immigration team members at Ingwe, you can also book a session directly using the consultation link included in the description of this video.